Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some countryside farmhouse inspired home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Countryside farmhouse inspired home decoration is a warm, lived-in interior style that blends the simplicity of rural life with rustic charm and a touch of vintage elements. It is inspired by traditional farmhouses in the countryside, spaces designed to be practical, cozy, and deeply connected to nature. Instead of looking polished or modern, this style separates imperfection, history, and comfort. Core idea. An Aidside countryside farmhouse decor is about natural materials, soft and calming colors. Use vintage or handmade pieces. A place, a cozy, welcoming atmosphere. It should feel like a home that has been lovingly lived in for years. Key elements of countryside farmhouse style. First, use natural and rustic materials. You will see a lot of weathered wood, like tables, beams, and shelves. Use stone or brick accents. Uses linen, cotton, and wool fabrics. Nothing should feel overly shiny or artificial. Slightly of textures and charm. Use soft earthy color palette. Typical colors include first cream, beige, and warm white, soft green, dusty blues, and light brown and muted pastels. These colors create a calm countryside feel, like nature indoors. Use vintage and antique touches. This style embraces the past, like old wooden cabinets, antique clocks, frames, or mirrors. Distress furniture with peeling paint. Each piece often looks like it has a story. Use cozy and functional furniture. Furniture is simple and sturdy, comfortable rather than fancy, often slightly oversized or chunky. Think of a big farmhouse dining table where everyone gathers. Use handmade and personal decor. Countryside farmhouse homes often include hand-woven baskets, crocheted or knitted items, handmade pottery or ceramics. These details add warmth and personality. Use nature-inspired accents. Bring the outdoors in with fresh or dried flowers, green plants or herbs in the kitchen. Use wooden bowls and clay pots. This keeps the space feeling fresh and alive. Countryside farmhouse kitchen feel. The kitchen is the heart of this style. Use open shelves with plates and jars, hanging utensils or copper pots. Use vintage-style cabinets, a cozy breakfast table. It should feel inviting and practical, not showroom perfect. Atmosphere and mood. A true countryside farmhouse homes feel peaceful and solo, warm and welcoming. Simple but meaningful. Lighting is usually soft. Think warm bulbs, candles, or natural sunlight. Countryside farmhouse decor is about creating a cozy, rustic home filled with natural beauty, vintage charm, and heartfelt simplicity. Let's go deeper because countryside farmhouse decor is not just a look, it is a feeling and lifestyle translated into design. The magic comes from layering details in a thoughtful and polished way. The deeper philosophy behind countryside farmhouse style. This style is rooted in rural living, where homes are built for comfort, function, and family, not trends. So instead of decorating all at once, it feels collected over time, slightly imperfect, personal, and meaningful. A key rule: nothing should look brand new or overly styled. How to layer the style? The secret most people miss. The old plus useful plus beautiful rule. Every item should fit At last one of this, old. Is vintage or distress? Useful, practical like baskets and jars. Beautiful, is soft and charming. The best farmhouse spaces combine all three. Layering textures, not just colors. Instead of bold colors, this style relies on texture contrast. Use rough wood plus soft linen, oven baskets plus smooth ceramics, chunky knit plus light cotton. This creates depth without making the space busy. The power of imperfection. Perfection actually ruins this style. What you want: slightly chipped paint, uneven wood grain, wrinkled linen curtains. These imperfections makes the home feel authentic and relaxed. Room by room advanced ideas. First, living room. Use a neutral sofa with layered cushions. Floral plus plain mix. Add a wooden coffee table with visible grain. Decorate with old books, ceramic vases, and candles in glass jars. Tips: leave a little empty space. Don't overcrowd. Kitchen, most important space. Take it by basics. Use open shelving, but keep it slightly imperfect. Mix platters, don't make them identical. Store dry fruits in glass jars. Advanced touch: hang dried herbs or garlic bundles. Add a small curtain under the sink instead of cabinets. Next, bedroom. Use soft layered bedding. Use linen plus cotton. Neutral base with subtle floral patterns. Vintage bedside table with a small lamp. Add a handmade touch like crochet or embroidered pillow covers. Entryway, often forgotten. Use wooden bins, wicker baskets for shoes, hooks for bags or hats. This sets the farmhouse tone immediately. Signature decorative details, fabrics and patterns. Use gingham, soft florals and stripes, but keep them muted and not too bright. Accessories that define the style: enamelware, white with black edged, messengers, wooden trays and antique frames. Farmhouse life touches. This makes the home feel real. A book left open, a folded blanket on a chair, fresh flowers in a simple jar. Seasonal styling, a hidden secret. Countryside farmhouse homes subtly change with seasons. Spring or summer, use fresh flowers, light fabrics, soft greens and white. For autumn and winter, use warm tones like brown or rust. Use heavier textures like knit and wool, candles and dim lighting. Common mistakes to avoid: buying everything new to look farmhouse. Mix old and new pieces. Turn to over decorating every surface. Keep it breathable and simple. Using too many dark colors, keep the base light and airy, making it look like a showroom. Let it feel lived in and personal. A more defined version if you want elegance. You can elevate countryside farmhouse by adding soft gold or brass accents, light candelights, more structured furniture. This creates an elegant farmhouse look, still cozy but more polished. When done right, your home should feel like a quiet morning in the countryside. Fresh air coming through open windows, a place where time slows down. The storytelling approach what makes a home feel truly farmhouse. A real countryside farmhouse homes feel like it evolved over time. Every corner should suggest who lives here, what their daily life looks like, a connection to nature and tradition. Instead of decorating randomly, think what story is this space styling. For example, a wooden table plus bread basket plus linen cloth. Suggest family meals. A bench with a folded blanket suggests rest and comfort. Understanding oud tones, very important detail. Most people miss this. But oud is the heart of farmhouse design. Mix different oud tones, like light oud, warm walnut, or slightly grey with that oud. Don't match everything perfectly. Contrast feel more natural. Look for visible grain, slight imperfection, matte, non-glossy finishes. The art of casual placement. Countryside farmhouse decor should feel effortless, not stressed. Instead of perfectly arranging objects, try slightly off-center arrangement. Linear frames instead of hanging all. A casually chopped cloth or curtain. This creates that relaxed countryside charm. Drinking nature indoors, advanced styling, not just plants. Think natural lifestyle elements. A bowl of fresh fruits on the table, dried lavender or fruit bundles, clay pots with herbs like mint and basil. Branches in a simple vase. These elements makes the home feel alive, not just decorated. Mixing time periods 6 to depth. A beautiful farmhouse homes blend different shadows, antique pieces like a vintage cabinet, mint-aged items like simple wooden chairs, a few modern comforts like soft lighting. This mix prevents the space from feeling like a museum. Sensory experience, what you feel, not just see. A true countryside farmhouse homes engage all senses. First, visual. Use soft colors and natural textures. For touch, use rough wood, soft linen, and woven fabrics. For smell, use fresh flowers, herbs, or subtle natural scents. Sound, quiet, calm atmosphere. Even decor like soft curtains helps absorb noise. Creating moments in your home. Instead of just decorating rooms, create small senses. Example ideas: a tea counter with cups, trays, and flowers. A reading chair with a blanket and lamp. A kitchen shelf styled with chairs and a cutting board. These little moments makes the home feel intentional and cozy. Light and shadow, advanced atmosphere trick. Lighting is not just brightness, it is mood. Use warm-toned bulbs, soft lamps instead of harsh overhead lights, natural sunlight with sheer curtains. Let shadows exist. This adds depth and calmness. Subtle details that elevate the look, some touches that make a big difference. Fabric ties instead of plastic holder, wooden or ceramic knobs, slightly wrinkled curtains, handmade or imperfect finishes. Balance between rustic and comfort. Too rustic equal rough and uncomfortable. Too modern equal loses charm. The goal is rustic base plus soft cozy layers. Example, wooden bench, rustic, plus cushion for comfort. Emotional essence, the real goal at its best. Countryside farmhouse decor creates a sense of belonging, calm and solo living, warmth without luxury, beauty in simplicity. The difference between a farmhouse-looking house and a true countryside farmhouse home is this: honest decorated, the other feels lived in, loved, and naturally beautiful. The quiet luxury of simplicity. Countryside farmhouse style is not about showing wealth. It is about quiet, humble beauty. Instead of expensive-looking decor, focus on honest materials, craftsmanship, pieces that age beautifully over time. A simple wooden bowl can feel more valuable than something flashy if styled right. The rule of understyling. Beginners often overcheck with experts do the opposite. Example, instead of filling a shelf completely, try a few jars or plant some empty space. This makes each item feel more important and calm. Time of day starting, very advanced concept. Your home should feel different throughout the day. Morning, light, airy and fresh. Afternoon, calm, natural and relaxed. Evening, warm, cozy and intimate. This dynamic feeling makes the home feel alive. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.